Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here. Excited for this video. We are going to be setting up a new TV. I have it here behind me, LG's QNED Mini LED TV. This is the 65-inch model. However, it does come in various sizes. I can link to this TV down below. Now this actually combines LG's quantum dot nanocell technology and their mini LED technology. We will dive into that in a little bit and talk about all of the great features that this TV has. I do want to give a big thanks to LG for sponsoring this video and sending over this TV for us to check out. Now in this video, we're going to do a quick unboxing, show you what comes in the box. We can check out that new Magic remote that LG has. I'm excited to see how well it works. And after that, run through the setup process and actually get this TV set up on my TV stand here. Let's get started. Inside the box, you've got your two legs for the TV, or you can wall mount it. It has that option. The legs, nice and sleek looking, very minimal. You also get your new Magic remote. Excited to test this out. We will test it out later on in the video. Very ergonomic, and yes, don't worry, it does come with batteries. You have shortcuts down at the bottom to a couple different voice assistants and some of your favorite streaming apps that you can install on the TV. Installing the legs, very simple, 2 screws on each side and we are good to go. Taking a closer look at the back, you've got your power cable, which is embedded in behind this tray, which you can use a screw to undo, but again, there's really no need to have a detachable power cable on a TV. In the box, you also get some clips for some cable management, so you can clip them into the back of the TV to help hide your cables, which just makes the TV more sleek overall. It even has clips for those legs, so you can route cables through them. On the back of the TV, you have your RS-232C port, your LAN port for internet, antenna cable in, and 2 USB Type A ports. And then along the right side is where your optical cable slot is. You have 4 HDMI ports, and then all the way up towards the top is yet another USB Type A slot. Now that we have the LG QNED Mini LED TV all set up on my TV stand, I want to talk about a few features while I run through the startup process. So first of all, the processor inside. It has the Alpha 7 Gen 4 AI 4K processor, which will adjust your viewing settings automatically with AI picture and AI sound. Both of those can be found in the startup menu or within the settings if you don't want to turn them on right away. Basically what it will do is it will upscale some of your content to 4K if it's not already outputting in 4K. Not only does it calibrate the picture quality, but also the sound, depending on the type of content that you're watching. It'll actually automatically adjust the specific sound. If you're watching sports, maybe just someone giving a monologue, it'll make it sound better overall. Now that we've run through the startup process, taking a look at the LG QNED Mini LED TV's design, it looks really good. It's very sleek overall. It's kind of hard to notice that it's not just a big screen because the bezels are so minimal. It's just a thin TV overall. It's great for wall mounting. It even has an art mode, which has different gallery types of pictures. So especially if you have it wall mounted, it'll look great in any space. In terms of image quality, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you get the power of LG's NanoCell Plus technology and quantum dot, and combined gives you very bright colors, very accurate colors, and an enhanced contrast ratio. And for me, being in a room that has a lot of natural light coming in, I really do notice the brighter colors. It doesn't really affect it with that sunlight coming in. On top of that, with this LG QNED Mini LED TV, you get Full Array Dimming Pro. This will give you unique dimming zones for backlight control and an enhanced contrast ratio, so your blacks are just going to be deeper blacks overall, and your colors are going to be very vivid. And like in all my other TVs, I know you're going to ask, yes, you do get Dolby Vision IQ and Dolby Atmos in this LG QNED Mini LED TV. So with those, you'll get the most realistic cinematic experience, but on top of that, they have a filmmaker mode built into the TV that you can turn on to see movies and content the way the director intended. It's actually really cool how it works. It turns off the motion smoothing and preserves the original aspect ratio, colors, and the frame rates as well. So it's truly as if you went to the theater and got that true cinematic experience. Moving on to gaming, LG has a built-in game optimizer to quickly access your in-game settings. You can customize your black-white stabilizer. You can reduce blue light. There's AI game sound, variable refresh rate you can turn on and off, AMD FreeSync options, and you can even see a live look at your FPS along with presets for the specific game type that you're going to play, FPS, RPG, RTS. There's even a quick menu, just press settings while in a game and you can get a live look at all your settings plus a live look at the frames per second that you're getting in game. Really cool with consoles. And of course, anyone with the latest gen console like myself wants HDMI 2.1 technology built into their TV. And yes, this LG QNED Mini-LED TV has that, so you can take full advantage of 4K, higher frame rates, you get variable refresh rates, so you're going to just get better performance in gaming and sound as well. They have eARC specifications, so if you're plugging it into a sound system over HDMI, it just makes your gaming and sound better over HDMI. Not only that, you have AMD FreeSync Premium built into this TV, so not only can you get great quality of games out of your console, but also maybe you want to plug in a graphics card that's in your PC that can work with AMD FreeSync Premium. You take full advantage of that on this TV, so you get those variable refresh rates and less screen tearing, so your game just looks smoother overall. And that Magic Remote has been great to use. It's very handy and a lot of fun to use. It shows a cursor on the screen, so you can very accurately select what you're looking to choose. You can just use the D-pad and selector as well if you want to go that route. And to wrap everything up, overall I'm really happy with this LG QNED Mini-LED TV. All of the technology built into it is great for my family room. I definitely will be leaving that TV there and using it as my daily TV right now. It works great with those latest gen consoles. Sometimes I do plug in my PC into the TV, so not just gaming though. While watching any of my streaming apps, they have them all built in. I can take advantage of those LG channels as well. And with its picture quality and how bright all of the colors look, it looks really good, even if there's external light coming into the room. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be sure to link to this TV down below. Be sure to subscribe, a lot more content coming soon. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up as well. As always, thanks for watching.